Alright, so moving on. Finished the pipe run from this side as far as I could. Or me and my coworker finished this as far as we could. All the way down here. And then all the way down to there next to the block wall. So that was nice. Someone's making a lot of noise downstairs, but for the rest of the day I worked on cutting these pipes straight and then bending some 90s. So me and my coworker were struggling a lot to bend this 1-inch pipe. Definitely a lot harder than it looks. The 90s are the worst. It just kinks super easy. I don't know what we're doing wrong, but I think we finally found a solution to bend these 90s right at the end of the day. So this first one is a real 90 and the second one is kind of a fake 90. You can maybe tell a slight difference just like right there. So I'll talk more about that later. There's a lot of noise, I'm sorry, but for the most part, we just worked on this. There's a offset right there, so not exactly how I wanted to do it, but it's gonna be easier, and the boss in charge was cool with it. Basically okayed that, so I was just doing a practice piece of pipe and I was gonna change it, but he just said that's fine, so I said okay, works for me, less work. So got this going across the ceiling right there, stopped right there, that's where I got that one, but working on getting these next three or next two going. There's going to be a box right here for a light, and then the next one is going to be keep going, so there's going to be 3 going down the rack, and then 1 stopping right here for the light. So I got the first 2 done. There's a little kick in here right here just to make it level here, because we're just shooting the 90s and then kicking it back right here to go straight with next to this 4-inch. Yeah, that's what we were working on. We did a lot of pipe bending, as you can see right there and over here. It was a very annoying day, but I think we finally got the solution. So I'm really happy about that, but we're just trying to bend 1 inch, and I don't have that much experience with it, but it just kinks super easy. I mean, some people can do it really well. Maybe they have a lot more experience, but what I figured out, or yeah, what I kind of came to the conclusion of was just kind of sliding it down the bender a little bit each time. So instead of just having it in the shoe and then bending it all at once and not moving the bender on the mark, you kind of just move it up move the pipe up the bender. So what I mean is, when you have your shoe, I don't even know how to explain this, but it's kind of upside down right now, but when you have your bender on the mark, you just keep sliding the pipe out of the end of the bender, and so when you're bending the 90 towards you, you just keep pushing the pipe up as it curls back up. So you can see a slight difference right there, but if it makes it kink free and saves you 10 pieces of pipe, I'm gonna do it. So that's what I came up with. So I'm gonna continue that method tomorrow, and I think it should work pretty well and save a lot of pipe. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely a learning day for me and my coworker, and we will be going to a different job site on Monday. So 1 more day here, and then a week at a different place, and then back here the following week supposedly. So anyways, that's what I got for you guys, and keep working on the other 2-inch tomorrow, assuming we get this done. Actually, this should take a while because these pipes do have to go a long ways, but we'll be working on the 2-inch probably again tomorrow as well, going down to the other stairwells and elevators. Alright guys, so like I was saying, some days you're gonna win some days you're gonna lose some. Sometimes you may lose a couple days in a row, sometimes it might be a bad week, sometimes it might be a great month. You never know, it just depends on the job site as well, but some days it'll just go really great and sometimes you'll just get nothing done. So anyways, yesterday was a little slow as well, but once we get past these next couple 90s, it'll be smooth sailing and we'll just get a lot done. So It just is what it is sometimes, and as much as I would love it for just to go perfect and be the best electrician ever, it's not like that. But anyways, you do what you can, and it is what it is. So yeah, so anyways, so it'll be a better day tomorrow. Granted, everything goes a little bit smoother now that we learned this trick and technique. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and that should do it. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit like, and make sure to subscribe. I'd love to see you guys back here tomorrow. New videos every weekday after work, and I have no idea what I'm saying anymore. It's been a really long day. Anyways, check out the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I do live streams or upload new videos. Thanks guys so much. Appreciate the support. Thanks for all the questions and comments. I will be getting around to answering all of them. Alright, I did get interrupted with a phone call, but that pretty much wraps up the video. I did want to say some days you're just going to make mistakes, and some days are going to be learning days, and that was definitely today. Definitely a lot more mistakes than I would have liked to make, but sometimes that's just how it is. If you think you're going to be a perfect electrician and never make a mistake, you're lying to yourself. So you do have to account for that and not just be overwhelmed by that. So it's just a fact that you're going to have to accept. And anyways, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. God bless, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace out. Alright, actually I lied. I did want to say I'm just going to be honest with you guys. I'm not going to pretend like every day is perfect. I'm going to be honest whether I'm struggling one day or it's going great one day. I'm just going to give you the honest opinion, and I hope you guys know that by now. That's just the kind of person I am, so I'm not going to fake it. I'm just going to give it to you straight, and that's just what I had to deal with today. But overall, I'm in a good mood, so that's that.